Gorgeous full brick home on March 4th acre lot in highly rated school district. Open floor plan with spacious kitchen includes island, granite, gas stove, numerous cabinets, large pantry and desk. Hardwoods in all living areas except bonus. Custom plantation shutters on the front of the home. Study/optional bedroom on the main with full bath. Laundry features granite counters and custom cabinets. Spacious master with tray ceiling and luxury bath with garden tub and walk-in shower. Exceptional designer closet featuring hardwoods, custom dresser island and special lighting. Beautifully landscaped yard with large deck, paver patio with gas fire pit, landscape lighting and irrigation. Spacious third floor can be easily finished providing approximately 900 additional square feet. Plumbing, stubs and electrical are in place. Staircase from bonus.